As I told you, globe is a model of the earth and it is very useful to us. But besides being so useful to us, it also has some disadvantages. The first disadvantage is very difficult to carry. As you all know, it is not easy to carry a globe every time. And detailed information about landforms, about roads, about railways, towns and villages, they cannot be obtained on a globe. I repeat, the detailed information about railways, roads, villages, they cannot be obtained on a globe. Now, we'll study about map. Maps. I'm really sorry about the ink as it is little light. A map is a flat symbolic representation of the earth. What is map? Flat symbolic representation of the earth. You must have seen maps so many times. You must have used maps in your previous classes. So it is a flat representation of the earth on a piece of paper. Now let me show you some images of maps. Types of maps. Can you see? Can you see the maps? Yes. So these are the maps. We all know that shape of the earth is round, but on a map we can see the earth in a rectangle piece. Yes, because map is a rectangular in shape. Thus, map is not an accurate representation of the earth. Still, the maps are very useful to us. How? The most important advantage of map is we can draw a part or whole of the earth on a map. We can draw a part or whole of the earth on a map. Many details can be shown on a map. As I told you, that many details cannot be shown on a globe, but many details can be shown on maps. And one more advantage is it is very, very easy to carry. So it is a three-dimensional representation. It is a two-dimensional. It is difficult to carry. It is very easy to carry. We cannot see detailed information of the whole of the earth or a part of the earth can be shown on a map. So let us do a quick recap of the difference between a globe and a map. Scale model of the earth that shows actual shape, size and location of the earth's and water bodies. Map, drawing or representation on a flat surface of a region. Advantage, shape of land and water bodies are accurate. Compass directions are correct. Distance from one location to another is accurately represented on a globe. Can show details too small to be seen on a globe. Flat, can easily be folded and carried. Disadvantage, cannot show small areas in great detail. I repeat, it cannot show small areas in great detail, not easily folded or carried. Size, shape and relative location may not be accurate. Yes, so